A windstorm has dumped a mountain of fallen limbs and ugly branches on your property. You are so close to burning them. Then you learn a secret from permaculture farmers that completely changes everything. Those useless branches, they're now one of your most productive garden beds, and it waters itself too.
That's not magic, that's Hugelkultur. It's a permaculture technique that turns dead wood into living soil. Today I'm going to show you exactly what it is and why it works so unbelievably well. If you're looking for a method of gardening that works with nature instead of constantly fighting against it, Hugelkultur is one of the clearest real-life examples of permaculture in action.
So let's define what this weird-looking mound actually does and why so many gardeners are becoming interested in it. The word Hugelkultur is German, and it literally means mound culture or hill culture. At its simplest, it's a raised garden bed built on top of decaying wood and other organic materials. You start with a base of logs and branches, then layer on smaller twigs, leaves, grass clippings, maybe some compost or manure, and finally a thick layer of topsoil. Over time, that wood breaks down and acts like a giant sponge, storing water, releasing nutrients, and creating a loose, rich soil that plant roots absolutely love. Permaculture folks love Hugelkultur because it checks a lot of boxes. It recycles waste wood instead of burning or hauling it. It creates a no-till raised bed that's easy to work in. It can dramatically improve water retention, which is huge in dry climates. And it mimics what happens naturally on the forest floor, logs rotting down and feeding the next generation of plants. Hugelkultur has roots in Central and Eastern Europe, where gardeners and farmers have used woody debris to build mounded beds for a long time. The idea of piling up wood and covering it with soil isn't new, but the name Hugelkultur started showing up in German gardening booklets in the 1960s. Fast forward a bit, and the technique really gets popularized by Sepp Holzer, an Austrian farmer often called the rebel farmer of permaculture. He was creating these huge log-filled mounds on steep, cold mountainsides and still pulling off crazy good harvests. Permaculture teachers like Bill Mollison and others then helped spread Hugelkultur around the world as a core design tool. Today, here's where you'll see versions of Hugelkultur. Backyard homesteads, urban community gardens, even in some university and extension examples as a way to manage yard waste and stormwater while growing food. Before we continue, please hit that like button and subscribe to Almost 2 Acres to send this information on to others who may like to learn about this gardening method also.
Are you ready to turn your brush pile into a powerhouse garden bed? Type in the comments yes or too much for me.
In permaculture, we talk a lot about stacking functions, one element doing multiple jobs. A Hugelkultur bed is basically the poster child for that. One Hugelkultur mound can grow food, store water during rains and slowly release it back to your plants, compost massive amounts of woody debris over time, create microclimates, warm sunny sides for heat-loving crops, and cooler, moisture spots for shade-tolerant plants, and provide habitat for fungi, earthworms, and all the soil life that makes your garden self-sustaining. The mound will slowly sink as the wood decays, but that's actually a good thing. It means your soil is being built from the inside out. Many sources suggest a lifespan of 5 to 10 years or more, depending on the size of the wood you use. In the next video, I'll walk you step by step through building your own Hugelkultur mound and show you which woods to use, which to avoid, and how to plant it in year 1. Until next time, let's turn yard waste into garden gold.